How to sign up or create Remitly account. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to create or sign up for a Remitly account. So in my case, I'm using a web browser, but then you can also use an application. So if you're using a web browser, on the web address bar type in remitly.com, and when you type in remitly.com, it's going to take you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. First of all, go ahead and accept all of the cookies, and when you do that, you need to go ahead and select the join now button from the top right hand side corner. Next page, you have to go ahead and create your profile. So for that case, you have to provide an email address, password, and confirm it by typing it twice. Once you're done entering the following information, click on join now, and on the other page, it's going to ask you to verify your email address. For the verification, a code is going to be sent to an SMS. Code's going to be sent to an verification. Code's going to be sent to an email which you have to enter in. As you're done verifying your email address, moving on to the next step, you have to go ahead and provide in your personal details and all that. After that, you've successfully created your profile, and then you can go ahead and verify your identity by providing the government issued ID, and accordingly you'll be able to transfer or send money from Remitly. So that's basically how you can create or sign up for Remitly account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.